Spend money before you make money. Get a white cloth. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, All Things Manteme. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who is subscribing to the channel. Thank you for growing the channel. Thank you for being part of the community. Before I go anywhere, let me show you what I am wearing today. Wearing my beautiful skirt. Yes, I went to Joburg during the week and I got this skirt for 35 rand, guys. 35 rand. But look how beautiful this skirt is. It's really amazing. I love it. Do you like it? Drop a heart if you really love my skirt and if you love the price. Yes, the quality is not that amazing, but I love it anyway. I love it. If you are a small content creator or a rising content creator and you're still trying to figure things out, you're trying to create content, trying to be intentional and consistent, however, you are struggling to get the right equipment, I am going to be recommending few things for you that you can do. These are affordable equipments that you can get. Number one, you have to spend money before you make money. You have to invest in the equipment and it doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to spend lots and lots of money. Important things to buy instead of just buying unnecessary things, or you can buy even expensive things but you find that you don't really need them. You're gonna use your phone if you don't have a camera, and most of the content creators, they don't start with cameras, they start with a phone. That phone that we're using, Android, iPhone, it is okay. It is actually fine for you to start with your content. You want to make sure that you use a back camera. Do not use the selfie. I know you can be very tempted to use selfie so you can see yourself, but now selfie camera, it's not really crispy, it's not really nice. I'm going to insert a photo of a selfie and a photo of a back camera, then you're gonna see the difference, you understand, with the light on, and so that you see that the front camera is not as great as you are thinking. You need to clean your lens. I have bought wipes for myself. You see, it's 10 rand. You can get baby wipes, any wipes, makeup wipes, or a cloth. You don't have to buy any wipe. You can use a cloth. Use a wet cloth first to wipe the lens. After that, take a tissue or dry cloth and wipe over the wet lens. Every day you are touching your phone, you're touching your camera lens, so make sure you clean, because if you don't clean, your quality, the quality of the video is going to be blurry, it's going to be bad. The quality is going to be bad because the lens was dirty, so you'll be offering us blurry things. And as much as we understand that it's your first video, you are new to this thing, no one wants to watch a blurry thing. I mean, even you are not interested in watching blurry thing, you can't see clearly, you understand. Number two, you're going to need a space. It could be an office, it could be a corner in your home if you don't have an extra room outside, especially if your content is about beauty, you want to show people tutorials. It's that kind of content that needs you to be inside the house. If you don't have an extra room like I do, just find a corner, just make it office vibe so that you don't have to every day remove, pack, bag, do this, do a lot of things. You can keep your things the way they are and you can shoot whenever you want to shoot. And number three, you are going to need a backdrop, a clean backdrop, a background. You see, I don't really have a background behind me, but you see my walls are light gray. It's not white, it's light gray. So there's not too much going on. It's not disturbing you as you're watching me. I've put some few decorations there. I'm still gonna work on it, but I've put some decorations, a flower here, lights, and it becomes beautiful that way. So you can buy a background, but if you don't have money, because these things can be really expensive, get a cloth. Get a white cloth or a gray cloth or a nude brown cloth. You can put it behind you, clip it with both stick, or put nails. You can put nails, and if it's just a cloth, you can hook that cloth on those nails. Okay, the other thing that you are going to need is lighting. Lights are very important to your content, especially if you're doing beauty tutorials like me, or you have to do like sit downs. You need light. You need a ring light. You see, getting a proper light or a ring light will help you with the quality, because if I switch off the light, let me do it now so that you see the difference. Just look how my video look. I'm using the main light of the house light, you understand, studio light. And then when I switch on, you see the difference. You see this thing starts from 150 in Joburg, 200. I know even in a lot of places these ring lights are really affordable, 200, 300, going upwards depending on your budget and on what you really desire. Now, let me get this other light. It can actually help you. It can support even the ring lights. This light right here, you see, this is a side lamp. You can get this at Pep, at Chinese home store, shops. You can get it anywhere, and I got this for 40 rand. This light is 40 rand, guys. Get it for yourself. If you have a beautiful window that brings sunlight and natural light, that is the best light ever. Use it. Another thing that you are going to need, okay, so with the ring light, the advantage with the ring light, it comes with a holder, a phone holder, in case you don't have a tripod. Because this is how a normal tripod or usual tripod looks like. It's long, but obviously it's folded, and you put your phone here. You see this? So a ring light comes with this holder where you can put your phone and start shooting. That's the advantage of a ring light. So before I had this, I was using my ring light. You see, it was helping me, supplying me with light, and also I was placing my phone there. The other thing that you're going to need is a microphone. Sound is very important. I was struggling a lot. I'm still working on it even now. You see, I'm holding my microphone with a hand. I don't want that anymore. I want to upgrade, but it takes time, guys. To upgrade these things is not easy. So my love bought me this. My husband bought me this microphone. It's called a wireless microphone. You just connect it. You connect this thing to the phone, and then you press this microphone, it goes on, and you speak just like I'm doing, and the quality is actually very good. And this goes for 250. If you're buying it at the mall, you'll get it for 400, 350 going upwards. But if you buy it at China City, you can literally get this thing for 250 for all phones, either iPhone or Android, C-type or no C-type. There are a lot of other things that you might need, but these are the basic things that you are going to need. And in my next video, I'll also be sharing with you the creators that you must follow to help you to start your channel. These things, you are not obviously going to buy them at once. Check the first thing that you can afford, or the first thing that you have in the house that you can make use of. Sometimes you can even ask your family members to support you. Tell them you're starting your content creation journey and you'd love for them to support you, to buy you a tripod. Don't ask for money. Ask the person to buy you a tripod. Check for prices so that you just give them a quotation and they buy it for you. Polish your editing skills, because also when you are creating content, you're not just creating. You shoot your videos. You're going to need to edit, especially if you're talking about YouTube. You're going to edit the video and use simple apps like CapCut or it is the best editing app. It is absolutely free of charge. If you want to pay for it, for you to get more things, but I'm talking about beginners here, so you're not willing to be spending some monthly subscription on an editing app. Use that app, download the app. It's a must. You must have that app. It is very simple, straightforward, and easy to use for you as a beginner. I cannot wait to watch your videos. And if you are a new YouTuber, you want us to support you by subscribing to your channel, just drop your channel name. I will definitely subscribe. And just because you have all this equipment does not mean your channel is gonna flourish overnight. It's a journey, it's a process, and enjoy creating content. Strive for excellence even when you have small things. Strive for excellence even if you don't have everything with you. And also strive for consistency. If you're consistent, YouTube is gonna see that you are really consistent, and then they're gonna start driving traffic to your channel, and you will grow. And who knows, within a month or 3 months or 4 months or a year, you can be monetized. And just take it serious, but also don't put too much pressure on yourself to to monetize and to make money and to be famous and all that. You need to know why you are creating content, and you need to enjoy creating content. Abby? Oh. Okay guys, that was all for today. I love you so much. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And if you have other equipments, or if you have any question related to the equipments that you might need for your content creation, just drop your question in the comment section below, and I'll definitely answer you. Okay, I love you guys, and bye.